All right. And we are back for round number 2 of the Willard unit. 10 by 20, $270. Still got a whole lot to do here. And we'll see whatever it is we can make some profit. Here we go. All right, we got some folding lawn chairs. These actually sell for a little bit of money. 3 of them. Call it $50. All right. We got this big tote candle stand. Bunch of fishing poles. And nice little bow. It's got to be $20 between all of that. Maybe more. So here's that big tote. It has, what is that? A digital picture frame. It's probably not worth much anything, but it'll fit a lot better if the box closes. Oh, what do we got? Solar light, rock solar lights. There's a radio down there, but it's covered in dirt. And another radio, also covered in dirt. So somehow, that probably goes to that. Somehow, got a bunch of dirt in this thing. Okay, what else can we get to? Got this fan. It's gonna be in the way. Pair of loppers. It's kind of cool. We got blankets and stuff. Hey, look, a snow shovel. Woohoo! All right, we got a nice little display case with a latch on it. Too bad it's empty. And more blankets. We can reach the Nike box now. Nike box has, might be something. A bit of baseball cards. Probably looks like all junk wax era, but I mean, there's probably a couple bucks in there. Call it $5. Nice. What do we got in this little box? We have, is that jewelry? No, it is more tall baseball cards. All right. That's better than nothing. Put them with the rest of them. What else do we got? Ooh. Oh, nickels. Still, hey, there's a nickel. 2 nickels. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 nickels. And no war nickels. But whatever. Change is change. What else do we got? We got a Motorola flip phone. Awesome. A little walkie-talkie. And, oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We got watches. Nothing really awesome, but we got watches. What do we got? We got Black Hills Gold. I doubt that's actually gold. It doesn't look like it. Some of these older women's watches can be gold, or at least gold filled, stainless. This doesn't look like anything either. Base metal, stainless. Another women's watch. What's that? It's a Gruen. Those will sell. Got another men's watch, no name, and yeah, can't beat that. We'll call it $15. Whole box of old cell phones and cell phone cases. Got flip phones, talk to text phones. Yeah, that's a good little box. You can call it at least another $10, $15. Nice. All right, what else we got? This was a nice little area right here. Nothing. I don't even know what that is. Some kind of spinny brush thing. Oh, still got power. In the box. That might be worth something. Probably not. Alright, what's Lightning McQueen got? Lightning McQueen's box is coming apart. And it is. It's CD cases, empty. Looks like a whole bunch of Christmas stuff and clothes. So, nothing good. Get this in the truck. Next box. Looks like a whole bunch of home decor. Nothing good. Nope. Whole bunch of nothing. It's better than an empty box. All right, this one looks good. We have a camera box that feels like it is empty. Oh, there's a camera in there. Nice. Here's a nice camera in box. That's got to be $15. 20. Call it 20. We got another camera. Feels like it's in there. It is in there with the charger. Hell yeah. Canon camera. So a Nikon and a camera. Canon. So there's, I'd say at least $40. And then we also have another Nikon camera that is in there. Awesome. A Sony DVD player. Look at all this stuff. Nice little couple tablets. Nothing spectacular. Another portable DVD player. All this box just keeps on giving. Look, another digital camera. Awesomeness. There's a record player down here. I'm sure that's worth about $20. Awesome. Yep, big record player. HDMI tuner, and random socks. That's a good box. Nice tote, nice tote. We are warming up, people. Where should we go next? This box doesn't look that good. Bunch of home decor, not cool lamps, not cool stuff. Another box, home decor, 4th of July looking stuff. Oh, I forgot this. There was an envelope. Ooh, baseball cards. Nice. Put those with those. There's home decor, home decor. Oh, that's fine. This, what's in here? This one says bathroom. Bathroom. Come on, bathroom. Sometimes bathroom boxes are good for jewelry boxes. People like to have their jewelry in the bathroom. This one doesn't, maybe. Got a first aid kit, I think. Yep, first aid kit. This doesn't look too promising. It is not. Oh. Some Narcan. That's never good. If you know, you know. So you gotta watch where I'm putting my fingers at. Found more Narcan than you would believe in storage units. We haven't even been doing this that long. I got a couple cassette tapes. Who do we got? John Anderson. Reba. Hanson. Oh man. Can't even read that one. Hopefully the Hanson case is in here. That might be worth something. Ooh, look at that. Terry Bradshaw framed up. It's a personal. These are not personal. Personal tapes. So many cassette tapes. This whole thing is full of cassette tapes. Hopefully there's some rock in here. We will delve deeper into that at home. Bet there's some good ones in there though. Maybe. I hope. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's probably used. Apple gift card. I'm assuming it's used since it's opened. Ooh, Creedence Clearwater Revival. That's in there. What else we got in here? Reba. I think we got every Reba album. Reba. More country. Reba. I have a whole Reba lot. Look at all these Rebas. Creedence Clearwater Revival, Reba. Dwight Yoakam. Yeah, and another Reba. That's when she went by her full name, Reba McEntire. Yeah, it's not a bad tote. Oh man, here we go. This one says ball cards, like baseball cards, And it is. This whole thing is full of baseball cards. Oh man, some newer ones. 2020. Oh, it's all full. This whole thing is full. Here, let me give you a quick look real quick. Woo, slippery. This whole thing is full of baseball cards. There's Larry Bird, Michael Jordan, just sitting there. All baseball cards. All baseball cards. 1988. Bunch of junk wax, probably. Looky. Yeah, that's why we do this. That's why we do this here. All right, that's got to be, I want to say $50. 50 to 100. Just on a guess. All right, so that's going to be it for this part of this video. We still have a lot left to do, as if you can't tell. And we're going to be back. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy what we're doing, again, we're learning, and we're going to get better. We're going to have to get better, I'm assuming. But make sure you like and subscribe for the rest of this unit and more, because we're going to keep on finding these units and finding out whatever it is we can to make a profit. Thank you.